Hi, I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you a few magic tricks with numbers. So, quickly, can you solve this in 5 seconds? Ready, set, go. Okay, your time is up. The answer you should be getting is 625. And that's a magic trick that I've been taught by YouTube. So let's approach another question. Maybe I'm only going to do ending in 5 because they're the easiest. So how you figure this out is, first you need to know that it's always, if it ends in 5, it's always going to end in 25. Which means it makes it a whole lot easier. And you get the beginning of the answer by taking 3, because that was your first number, 3, multiply it by the next higher digit, which is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So the answer is 1,225. So let's go over that again. 3 times 4, because that's the next higher number, is going to be 12. So write that down. And if it ends in 5, it's always going to end in 25. So 1,225. Let's get to another complicated question. How about this? I'll let you have 5 seconds to figure that out. Your time starts now. Okay, your time is up. The answer you should be getting is 4,225. If you didn't get that answer, check on a calculator. But another number that is really easy to, multiply is the number 11, because there's a really fast way to multiply 11s by a number 11. Now, we almost all know that if you multiply 11 with a one-digit number, it's really easy. So, for example, 3 times 11 is 33, 7 times 11 is 77, but multiplying two-digit numbers is close to that easy. So it's really easy. So, for example, we want to do a question like 52 times 11, which is pretty easy. You have 5 seconds to do it on your calculator or whatever. Your time starts now. Okay, your time ended, and the answer you should be getting is 572. Now, I'll show you how I do that, which is pretty easy. Take 5 and 2, 52, and times 11 is really easy because 5 and 2, just add those digits together, 5 and 2, and you get 7. So 7, and you just stick that in between 5 and 2, and that's your answer. So let's try that again. 5, and make a empty, and then 2, and then 5 plus 2 equals 7, which means you just put it there. 7. 572. Let's move on to another question. So, how about 45 times 11? So, what's 4 plus 5? It's 9. So, the answer is 495. So, 495. Simple, right? But there is a complicated part, which means, look, if I do something like, let's say, 85 times 11. Can you figure that out by yourself? Okay, you should be getting the answer of 8,113. But that's wrong. We only have room for the 3, but the 8, the 1 makes the 8 carry, and the answer is 935. So, let me explain that again. So, the answer is not 8135. That's not the answer. That's not what the answer is. Seriously. The correct answer is 935 because 8 plus 5 is that, but nope. We only have room for the 3, but so, for example, again, 8, 5. You can't just put 8135 because that's not it, but put it on top if you need help, and put the 3 here. 835, but still not quite the answer because that. So you just add that to that, which means it's 935. Okay, another cool, not really trick, but something I'd like to do was multiplying big numbers by 11. Now, the answer is not like this. It's totally different. So, just not forget, but just don't think about this for now. All of this. Just don't think about all that. Okay? Just don't think about all that. Just think about this question here. How would you approach this? I'll give you 5 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, so I know that's a bit hard. I couldn't even figure it out in 5 seconds, but, I'm not a pro at it, so I'm not really good. But how you figure out a problem like this is you just add the digits. So you've just put 5, it's normal way, so 5. Now 8 plus 5, which is 13, but it's not 13 here. It's actually carry, so 13. And put the 3 here, and now 2 at 8 is 10 plus 11, carry 1, and now this one. Wait, no, this. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 9, so no carry. And 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8. And then put 2 normally. So that's your answer. 289,135. Simple, right? Yeah. And that's all I need to teach for today. Thanks for watching. See you at howtodostufwithethan.com and see you next time. Bye.